Did you know that over 4.5 billion people are making money online right at this very moment? Yes, you heard it right. We are living in an era of a digital revolution where the traditional boundaries of earning have been expanded beyond imagination. Welcome to the world of online earning, a world that is bustling with opportunities, a world that is waiting for you to explore. Online earning, once a concept considered too good to be true, has now become a reality embraced by billions worldwide. It's a wave that has swept across continents, bringing in its tide a surge of opportunities. From the comfort of our homes, we are participating in a global marketplace, offering our skills and services to people across the world. It's a revolution, a paradigm shift from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, and it's happening right here, right now. You might wonder, what's the big deal about online earning? Well, it's the freedom it offers, the convenience it brings, and the limitless potential it holds. It's the power to earn from anywhere, at any time, doing what you love or what you're good at. It's the ability to be your own boss, to dictate your own schedule, to balance your work and life on your own terms. This video is your gateway to the world of online earning. We're here to guide you through the maze of online platforms which stretch far and wide, each offering unique opportunities to earn. From freelancing websites to online marketplaces, from tutoring platforms to content creation sites, the online world is teeming with avenues for you to explore. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer, a talented artist, a budding entrepreneur, or just someone looking for ways to supplement your income, the online earning revolution has something for everyone. It's not about replacing your day job, although it certainly can. It's about opening up new avenues of income, about leveraging the digital world to your advantage. Ready to join the online earning revolution? Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about ease of use. After all, the best platform is the one you'll actually use, right? When it comes to earning online, the last thing you want is to be wrestling with a difficult-to-navigate website. So let's break down some popular online earning platforms in terms of usability, starting with Fiverr. Many love Fiverr for its straightforward and intuitive interface. The sign-up process is a breeze, and within minutes you're ready to explore the vast marketplace of gigs. It's as simple as setting up your profile, browsing through categories, and placing your bids. Next up is Upwork. Upwork might seem a bit daunting at first, with its elaborate profile setup and job proposal process. But don't be deterred. Once you've got the hang of it, navigating the platform becomes second nature. Plus, the extra detail required upfront can help you stand out from the crowd, making it worth your while. Then there's Freelancer. This platform is user-friendly with a clean, clear layout. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and the platform gives you the freedom to either browse through projects or have potential clients come to you. Lastly, let's talk about Etsy. If you're more into crafting and selling unique handmade items, Etsy is your go-to platform. It's simple to use, with a straightforward listing process and easy-to-manage shopfront. But remember, each of these platforms has its own unique quirks and features. It's essential to spend some time exploring and getting to know them before diving in. And don't be afraid to try out a few different ones to see which suits you best. In the end, it's not just about which platform has the most jobs or the highest payouts. It's about finding a platform that fits your skills, your style, and your comfort level. Because the more at ease you are with the platform, the more time and energy you can dedicate to doing what you do best, creating amazing work and making money from it. Remember, the best platform for you is the one you feel most comfortable using. Now that we've discussed ease of use, let's talk about the potential earnings these platforms offer. The beauty of the digital landscape is that it is a vast treasure trove of opportunities. Each platform presents its own unique earning potential. In general, earnings can be influenced by a multitude of factors, such as your level of experience, your unique skill set, and the amount of time you're willing to commit. Let's start with freelance platforms. These are goldmines for professionals from diverse fields. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, developer, or a marketing whiz, there is a space for you. Earnings on these platforms can range from a few dollars for a quick task to several $1,000s for a complex project. Your earning potential here largely depends on your expertise and the quality of your work. Next, we have online tutoring platforms. If you have a knack for teaching, these platforms can be a lucrative option. Pay rates can vary widely, from $10 an hour for tutoring in basic subjects to over $100 an hour for specialized subjects or test prep. Your qualifications, experience, and the subject you teach play a significant role in determining your earnings. Then there are content creation platforms. If you're a creative soul who loves to create and share content, these platforms can be a goldmine. Earnings here are often based on views, likes, shares, and ad revenue. And while it may start small, with consistent effort and quality content, your earnings could reach dizzying heights. Lastly, we have gig-based platforms. These are perfect for those who want to make a quick buck doing simple tasks. Earnings here are usually task-based, and while each task may not pay much, the cumulative earning can add up to a substantial amount. The potential to earn online is vast, but remember, it requires effort and dedication. The digital world is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a platform to leverage your skills and passion. With the right mindset, commitment, and a dash of creativity, the internet can truly be your oyster. Next up, let's explore the types of tasks and services these platforms offer. In the digital universe, the range of tasks and services offered is as diverse as the stars in the sky. No matter your skill set or interests, there's almost certainly an online platform that caters to your talents. Take freelance writing, for example. If you have a way with words, platforms like Textbroker, Upwork, and Fiverr can connect you with clients seeking everything from blog posts to ghost-written novels. These platforms have a wide range of writing gigs that cater to all skill levels, whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding wordsmith looking to dip your toes into the world of freelance writing. If you're more visually inclined, platforms like 99 Designs, Dribbble, and Behance offer a platform for graphic designers to showcase their work and connect with clients. From logo design to complete brand overhauls, the opportunities for graphic designers are vast and varied. Then there's the world of virtual assistants. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and enjoy administrative tasks, platforms like Zirtual and Belay can connect you with businesses and professionals in need of virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you could be managing calendars, handling emails, or even coordinating events, all from the comfort of your home. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are platforms for software development, marketing, tutoring, social media management, and so much more. And the beauty of it all? You can often combine multiple skills and services to create a unique offering that sets you apart from the competition. So, whether you're a wordsmith or a whiz with Photoshop, a virtual assistant or a virtuoso coder, there's a platform out there that's a perfect fit for your skills and interests. As you can see, the online world offers a wide array of opportunities to capitalize on your unique skills and interests. So, you've learned about the ease of use, potential earnings, and the variety of tasks on these platforms. Now it's time to take action. The beauty of this digital era is that it provides you the liberty to choose. The power to decide is in your hands. The platforms we've discussed are not just websites, but gateways to opportunities. They are your stepping stones towards achieving financial independence. Imagine for a moment your life, where you are your own boss. You have the freedom to choose your tasks, set your own hours, and determine your income. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that countless people around the world are living every day thanks to online earning platforms. Sure, starting something new can be a little intimidating. You might be wondering, what if I don't succeed? Or, what if I'm not good enough? But let me tell you something, every expert was once a beginner. The only way to become good at something is to start doing it. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. And this journey begins with a single step. That step is signing up for one or more of these platforms. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll learn, grow, and start earning. The benefits of taking action now are numerous. With every task you complete, you're not just earning money, but also gaining valuable experience, improving your skills, and building your portfolio. And don't forget, time is money. Every moment you delay is a potential earning opportunity lost. So why wait? The world of online earning awaits you. Take the leap, sign up, and start your journey towards financial freedom today.